Hi friends, welcome back. Today I will show you the best phones under 50,000 naira in Nigeria. They're as follows. 1. Xiaomi Redmi 8 price, 44,000 naira. It's the cheap Xiaomi phone below 50,000 naira with 4GB RAM. 2. Infinix S5 price, 48,000 naira. It's the best Infinix phone below 50,000 naira with 4000 mAh battery. 3. Samsung Galaxy A10's price 42,000 naira. It's the best Samsung phone below 50,000 naira with strong battery. 4. Tecno Camon 12 price 50,000 naira. It's the best Tecno phone under 50,000 naira with good camera. 5. Tecno Spark 4 price 46,000 naira. It's the best Tecno phone under 50,000 naira with water drop notch. 6. Infinix Hot 8 Lite price 47,000 naira. It's the cheap Infinix phone under 50,000 naira. 7. Xiaomi S11 Lite price 43,000 naira. It's the best Xiaomi phone under 50,000 with good camera. 8. Tecno Purvar 3 price 38,000 naira. It's the cheap Tecno phone below 50,000 naira with strong battery. 9. Xiaomi Mi Play price 50,000 naira. It's the cheap Xiaomi phone under 50,000 naira with fingerprint identity. 10. Tecno Spark 5 Air price 46,500 naira. It's the best Tecno phone under 50,000 naira with big screen. 11. Infinix Smart 5 price 46,800 naira. It's the best Infinix phone below 50,000 naira. 12. Xiaomi Redmi 9C price 49,000 naira. It's the best Xiaomi gaming phone under 50,000 naira. 13. Xiaomi Redmi 9A price 44,000 naira. It's the best entry-level Xiaomi phone below 50,000 naira. 14. Xiaomi Redmi 8A price 37,000 naira. It's the cheap Redmi smartphone under 50,000.